Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start at registration. Hand over your insurance card and photo ID right away so staff can verify coverage. This speeds check-in. Explain who the subscriber is and give the policy and group numbers because the hospital must match billing records. If you have a referral or pre-authorization, show it now, otherwise ask if one is needed. Once done, confirm the expected copay amount and any financial responsibility, so there are no surprise charges later. You should stay engaged while staff verifies benefits, watch them scan or photograph your card, and confirm the policyholder and effective dates, because errors can delay payment. Read the consent and financial responsibility sections slowly and ask questions before you initial. This explains what the insurer will cover and what you may owe. Also ask whether the treating providers are in-network versus out-of-network and request an estimated out-of-pocket total, since that informs decisions. To finish, obtain copies, registration receipt, claim number, and billing contact so you can track claims after discharge. This prevents lost paperwork. If a claim is denied, ask for the specific denial reason and immediately supply missing authorizations, corrected member details, or referral documents. That fixes many denials quickly. If problems persist, escalate to patient financial services or file an insurer appeal within the posted timeframe, because timely action preserves your coverage and reduces the chance you pay unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.